Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to manage your channel subscriptions effectively on WhatsApp. WhatsApp, a widely used messaging platform, has evolved to include the feature of following channels to stay updated with specific content. Whether you're looking to stay in the loop with your favorite channels or considering decluttering your subscription list, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of both following and unfollowing a channel on WhatsApp. Let's get started. First step, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. After that, click on Updates in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you'll see the Channel section, where all the channels you follow are listed. Choose the channel you want to unfollow. All you need to do now is click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select the last option, Unfollow. Then confirm it once again by clicking on Unfollow. And you have now stopped following the specific channel. If you want to follow a new channel, you can see if it's listed here under Suggested Channels, or simply click on Find Channels and discover the specific channel you want. That's it for this video. We hope we've helped you. For more content like this, follow us.